My friend, this is Pastor Lucas Pina, and this is our snack for the journey. And we are in a journey through the names of the Holy Spirit, names and titles of the Holy Spirit. Beautiful names, important names that help us know better, to understand the Holy Spirit at least a little bit more, and knowing who He is, what He's doing, what He did, what He's doing, what He's going to do. So I'd like to invite you to take this journey with us. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to share this video with your friends and family and help us to bless other people. Let's take a look in the name for today, which is a very important name, powerful name. It's the Most High, the power of the Most High. We find this in Luke 1:35. When Mary asked when the angel announced to Mary the birth of Jesus, and Mary asked how that's going to happen. He said, the angel answered, the Holy Spirit will come upon you, and the power of the Most High will overshadow you. So the only one, the Holy One to be born will be called the Son of God. The angel here is trying to explain to Mary how the Son of God will be born. And it is the work of the Holy Spirit. By Jesus did not sin, did not surrender his divinity. He is human and divine at the same time. Same place. It's sometimes it's a mystery for us. But there's the power, the most powerful, the most high, power of the Most High that will operate this miracle. Because we needed, for our salvation, we needed someone like Jesus. Just a good man would not do the work. We need someone that will live a perfect life and offer a perfect sacrifice to pay for our sin. Just a good man cannot. So the birth of Christ is a miracle. Because Christ is unique. No other like him. This is why he can perform our salvation. This is the overshadow here, is an image because it's an image that is repeated in Luke 9:34. While he was speaking, a cloud appeared and enveloped them. The cloud of God, the presence of God, the Spirit of God, enveloped them. They were afraid as they entered the cloud. The same thing Isaiah 32:15 says, till the Spirit is poured upon us from on high, the desert becomes a fertile field. Fertile field seems like a work of the miracle power of the Spirit. And then Exodus 40:35, same idea. Moses could not enter the tent of meeting because the cloud had settled upon it. The glory of the Lord filled the tabernacle. Glory of the Lord. This is what Mary would experience. Birth. When she would be impregnated by the Holy Spirit. It's a beautiful image. The work of the Holy Spirit. It's the whole Trinity working together. Of the moment that will perform that miracle. So we can have our very important for us. Know that and to believe in that. Jesus is, he was created or generated Holy Spirit miracle from the power of the moment. This is our snack for today. God bless you.